Welcome back to our channel, Girl Dad Reviews. We're here again with Evie. So today we saw that everybody really liked our Bloom video, so we went ahead and we decided to do another toy. So today we're gonna open, let's see, what is it?
Frozen 2 surprises.
You excited?
Yeah.
Have you ever opened one of these before?
No.
No?
I think they just came out.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Because the Frozen 2 show came out.
It did. It's on Disney Plus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so everybody's probably watching it right now.
Yeah.
All right. So today we have two of these balls, and we're going to take turns. We're going to open one at a time. So who wants to start?
Okay, I'll start.
Okay. All right. Lucia's going to start. Okay. Let's see. Can you show it to us?
This one looks like it's purple.
A little shiny and sparkly.
Yeah.
All right. Wait, let's go around. What do you think is inside?
Elsa.
Elsa? Okay, Grace?
I would say I like Olaf, so I really want Olaf.
Okay.
He's really funny.
He's the funniest character, for sure.
I think Kristoff is in it.
Kristoff? All right, so 3 different answers. Hopefully one of you is right.
Or Anna.
They're all good, right?
Ready?
I'm ready.
This is big.
Whoa.
Wait, it's a fuzzy actually thing.
You can tell already?
No,
Yeah.
she feels it.
I feel it. It's
Okay.
not big. Let's see.
Who do we have?
Elsa!
What?
Elsa!
Wow.
I was right. Yay! I was right. Yay! I was right.
Let's see her. Let's see her.
I love Elsa. She's
Cute.
the best. My turn.
She's like really like fluffy and squishy. Turn her around. Let's see her cape. Cool. Let's pass it along to Grace. Let's see what she thinks.
I knew it was
like the
Elsa.
dress. And it has like a cape, and then you can see the back.
That's like something that you could like take a nap with or something, right?
We have a sister named Rosalie, and then maybe she could play with it.
Yeah, definitely.
We could collect so many of these.
Wow.
Her hands so
When we
fuzzy.
get more money, we can buy. It's so tiny when they're braided.
Her little braids. You like her little braids? Cool. All right. So that's a good one to get.
My
Can I
turn.
hold it?
But if they're the same ones, that would be really.
That would be funny. Yeah, that would be funny.
Because they're twins. Everybody calls them the twins.
Evie and Lucy. Yes, everybody calls them the
Hey
twins.
y'all.
All right. You guys ready to open up your next one? Okay. Evie's going to do the honors.
Come back, y'all. Please go in the middle. Okay.
All right, Evie.
Okay, let's see. Let's think who
What
it is.
is that?
I think it's Anna.
Yeah, it has to be Anna.
Yeah.
Wait,
I think it's Anna. It's
Okay.
Anna. It's Anna.
Is it?
Wait,
Oh,
it's
it's a unicorn.
Noka.
Oh,
Noka.
I'm gonna ride it. Ooh.
Yeah, it's Noka.
perfect. How perfect is that?
They're together.
Yeah, that is so cool. How cool is that?
It's
so cool.
So it was first the water, and then it was ice. It turned into ice because Elsa has ice powers.
That is cool. And it's super shiny. It looks like ice, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Well, that's really cool, girls. How perfect is that?
That's perfect.
Okay, so we're going to say thank you for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in our next video.